Have a nice day, everyone. Maglinis ako ng coffee maker. This is the coffee maker, guys. Ito yung coffee maker namin. Linisan ko ito, guys. Tapos, paano buksan ito, guys? Ito, buksan. I will open and remove this. Guys, coffee. Thirsty coffee. This is the skin of the kunin natin ito, guys. Tapos linisan. Tapos ito, sa loob. Kunin din ito. Guys, ng roasted coffee. Roasted coffee. Tapos, guys, yan. How to clean the coffee maker machine. Like this, guys. Tapos, mamaya, i-return ko ito, guys. Hugasan ko muna. Ito, yung kailangan hugasan ito, guys. Tapos, yan, guys. Dito yung switch on niya, guys. Pag maggawa ka ng kape, dito on. Tapos, mag-press ka dito ng long para dami lumabas na coffee. Meron din plain cappuccino, blend, matcha, matcha, guys. Tapos, ito yung container. Ano na, guys? Dito yung container na lagyan ng tubig, water container. Guys, ito, guys. Araw-araw, pinalitan ito, guys. Yan. Water container. Tapos, dito naman, lagay ang roasted coffee beans. Dito yun ginalagay. Roasted coffee beans, guys. Very easy lang, guys. Coffee maker machine. So, linisan ko muna ito bago isauli. Ito, guys, yung loob ng coffee maker. Thank you for watching. Love you, guys. Tapos, ito naman ang coffee beans na nilagyan dito sa gilid ng coffee maker machine. Isang scoop palagi, guys, ang ginalagay dito sa taas. Dito, guys. Ito yung sidla ng coffee. Layer straight ang sidla ng coffee. Parang may rubber siya. Yan. Parang rubber siya. cover na ganito rubber siya guys. Yun na tinatawag na air skate. Air skate. Yung nilagyan namin ng roasted coffee beans. Tapos yung takip na guys is wooden. Tapos ito naman guys is parang ano siya guys. Porcelain. Pero high quality siya guys. Very nice. This is coffee machine. I love it. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.